How to add Soundboard on Discord mobile. What's up everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily add Soundboard on your Discord mobile. Let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is head over to your browser and search for discord.com and open the first link. Now if you don't see on that's Discord in your browser, all you have to do is tap on the three dots at the top right corner and enable your desktop site. So once your desktop site is enabled, you will see the option that says open Discord on your browser. So just tap on it. Now all you have to do is just enter your login details and log into your account. So once you have logged into your account, this should look something like this. Now you can just turn off your desktop mode, and from here you can use your Discord normally. So from here you want to find your server, and then from here if you tap on your server you will find server settings. Just tap on it and you will see the option for Soundboard. Just tap on Soundboard and from here you can upload a sound. Now just choose a file and upload a sound. Now after you've chosen your file, you can just enter your name of the sound and then select a related emoji, and that's it. You can adjust your volume from this slider, and that's basically it. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. I will catch you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.